Hi, my name is Felix Cesaro, and I'm the CEO of Martial Profile.
Hi, my name is Fabiani Crespo, and I am the CMO of Martial Profile. Martial Profile is a companion app for martial artists, people who train combat sport, or people who want to learn self-defense. This is a way for people to keep improving themselves by tracking their trainings.
Think about it like Strava, but for combat sports. A personal trainer based on AI, your experience, and our unique insights. As a martial artist, I know the need for this industry to catch up with technology. Also, with the latest advancements in AI, we can provide tailored information to the users based on their own data.
We launched 7 days ago, and right now we have 171 users and 48 daily active users. People are happy with this app, they are engaging. We definitely found a target audience that very few are paying attention to.
And we're growing fast. We know that we have something in our hands that people want. And now we want YC to be part of our journey. So, we'll see you in San Francisco.